My name is Angela. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a few looks that you can wear during the early weeks of fall. It's not yet too cold. The weather is still crisp and a little bit on the warmer side. I hope you guys enjoy this video, so let's get right into it. Okay, so here is the first outfit that I'm showing you guys. I am wearing this navy blue dress and it has bell sleeves. As you can see, the bell sleeves are very interesting, intricate style that we got, but I love it. And then I'm wearing this fur vest, and I got this vest from Zara, and I actually got the dress as well from Zara. And the boots are from Tony Bianco. Just love how these boots hug my legs. I don't think these are designed to wear with jeans, so I would just wear them with just a skirt or a short dress, just like how I'm wearing this outfit, because they're really lurching onto my legs. There's literally no breathing space, but that's fine because they're comfortable. They're just not meant to wear with pants. Outfit number 2 is a little elaborate and a little out there with this silver thigh-high boots. These boots are just extra. This outfit is really cute during the first early weeks of fall, you know, when it's not too cold, when it's not freezing, just when the temperature is crisp enough. This is an outfit that's cute to wear, you know, for a night out, if you're going to brunch. It's casual but chic at the same time. I mean, the boots are very sexy, and then you have this short mini leather skirt that has a high waist silhouette, and then you have this sweatshirt which is really cute. So this outfit it's one of my favorites actually so far. Outfit number 3. I really like this look because it takes away from the heavy sweaters. Although I'm wearing a sweater, it's not a heavy sweater. You know, the heavy coats. It does not have a lot of layers. You know, I just have the sweater and the jeans and a cute little bag, and that's pretty much it. I'm wearing this silk boots that are really pretty. I don't know where I got this from. Let me see. I can't remember where I got this from, but they're so cute. Number 4, and the final look, it features this neck-skin skirt. I got this skirt last year, I believe. Yeah, I got it last year from Express. And then this lace top, I can't remember where I got this from. I think I got it from Express or Zara. And then I got this coat from Zara, and then I got these boots from Zara as well. I love these boots. I love that they have a two-toned feature or style at the tip of the toes, which is so cute. It creates a nice contrast. I can see myself wearing something like this to a date night in the winter or fall time. It's really cute, and the colors are very fallish, very neutral, very warm, very muted. So cute. And the lace is very sexy. Look at that. The skirt is so cute. I knew I had to get it when I first saw it. And I love that it has a side slit. Do you guys see that? So look without the coat. this is it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video some love. Give it some thumbs up. Drop some comments down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.